Are you drowning in seasonal clothes, bulky blankets, or stuffed animals that take up too much space? Well, vacuum compression storage bags might be exactly what you need. Have you heard of Amazon? Have you heard about Temu? Well, both of them have vacuum storage compression bags that we tested to compare one to the other to see which one might be the better option. We break them down by delivery, quality, value, and storage capacity to see which one is the better buy. So let's start with delivery. If you need these bags fast, Amazon is the clear winner. Their bags arrived just one day after ordering, while Temu's took 3 days. Not a huge gap, but if you're in a hurry, that extra time might matter. However, Amazon's quick shipping is often tied to a Prime membership, which comes with an annual fee. If you're already a member, it's a great perk, but if not, you might be fine waiting a little longer for Temu's cheaper option. Temu does not have the same subscription model. So for a delivery rating, we gave Amazon a 10 out of 10 and Temu a 9 out of 10. Now onto quality, which is probably the most important factor. According to reviews, Amazon's bags are well made with strong seals and a durable zipper that keeps everything compressed. We found this to be true. They hold their vacuum seal well over time, making them reliable for long-term storage. Temu's bags look similar, but with our experience, it wasn't that different between the two. Overall, the difference between the two isn't a lot, but Amazon's is a slightly better quality. For our rating, we gave Amazon a 9 out of 10 and Temu an 8 out of 10. Now for value, Temu takes the edge, costing $22.45 to Amazon's $24.13. But it's not that much of a difference. That said, if Amazon's bags last longer, the slightly higher value might be worth it. So we give Amazon, once again, a 1-point edge, giving it a 9 out of 10 for value compared to Temu's 8. Both brands claim to shrink bulky items significantly. Users of Amazon's bags have reported a noticeable difference, especially for winter coats, comforters, and extra bedding. Temu should work the same way, but as we found, it's tough to tell the difference between the two. Overall, the bags seemed like they held the exact same amount. We held them side by side, and they looked almost exactly the same, which was pretty big, so I think both of them deserve perfect 10 out of 10 ratings in this category. Beyond storage, these bags can be a game changer for travel. If you struggle to fit everything into your suitcase or you buy like a bulky souvenir, vacuum sealing everything is a great alternative to things like packing cubes for your clothes. These maximize space while keeping your clothes, souvenirs, blankets protected from outside moisture. So which one should you buy? If you're looking for the absolute cheapest option and don't mind waiting a few days, Temu might be worth trying. But if you want something with proven durability and fast shipping, Amazon's vacuum bags seem like the safer bet in almost every category. Either way, if you're running out of space, you should give vacuum compression bags a try because they might be the storage solution that you've been looking for. Once again, I'm Branson from Best Reviews. If you have any cool storage tips, please let us know in the comments below.